एक्टर की तुलना होती थी कि आप कितने अच्छे एक्टर हो, कोई पूछता नहीं था आपके हाथ में फिल्में कितनी है। अच्छा तू 50 फिल्में कर रहा है, ओह यू आर वेरी बिजी एक्टर, तो आपका रेट और भी बढ़ जाता था। यू हैड मोर रिस्पेक्ट
on set. He was completely professional, always on time, knew all his lines, never interfered, just came there, did his bit, and he was just really nice, polite.
फिल्म में एक फाइट सीक्वेंस था,
बड़ी पिटाई हुई।
हाँ हमें शूटिंग करने का एक्शन डायरेक्टर है, उसने बोला तो पहले ही आपको उठा के कार में फेंकेंगे। फिर कह रहे भाई ये पार्ट मैंने गौर से नहीं पढ़ा शायद।
I mean, for some time I must have been successful. I'm sure I was, but I never got a chance to enjoy that because I was so busy working.
Hello everyone, this is Aina and welcome to Instant Bollywood. I am so honored here because I'm here with such a stellar cast from Detective Shedil. So nice to have all of you all. Welcome on Instant Bollywood.
Thank you. Aina.
सबसे पहले तो मुझे आपसे ये सवाल पूछना है क्योंकि मैंने पिक्चर देखी और मुझे इतनी अच्छी लगी. It was a very nice, fun, light watch. But at the same time बहुत ही अच्छी कोड मैसेजिंग है जहाँ पैसों के लालच में कभी कभी लोग अपना आपा खो जाते हैं. तो मैं पूछना चाहूंगी कि आपके लाइफ में ऐसा हुआ है कि आप पैसों के लालच में कभी
मैं आंसर ऑन हिज बिहाफ हर रोज
एक डिटेक्टिव शेड्यूल मेरी पैसे की हवस लालच.
बट अगर मैं सीरियसली पूछना चाहूँ क्योंकि ये इंडस्ट्री ऐसी है क्योंकि आपको ग्लैमर दिख जाता है, पैसे दिख जाते हैं, कभी कभी आप हाँ कह दोगे क्योंकि पैसा अच्छा है पर स्क्रिप्ट शायद उतनी अच्छी ना हो. ऐसा आपके साथ हुआ है? We can start with you.
Yes. हुआ. मेरे करियर की शुरुआत जब हुई तब एक्टर की तुलना होती थी कि आप कितने अच्छे एक्टर हो, कोई पूछता नहीं था आपके हाथ में फिल्में कितनी है. अच्छा तू 50 फिल्में कर रहा है, ओह यू आर वेरी बिजी एक्टर, तो आपका रेट और भी बढ़ जाता था. यू हैड मोर रिस्पेक्ट. अगर आप दिन के 4 शिफ्ट कर रहे हो, पीपल थॉट यू वर लाइक द बेस्ट एक्टर इन द वर्ल्ड. तो उस लालच में आई थिंक आई काइंड ऑफ डैमेज माई करियर बिकॉज मैंने बहुत सी फिल्में ऐसी की बिकॉज जस्ट फॉर मनी एंड फॉर द सेक ऑफ हैविंग फिल्म्स. स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ा नहीं, कर लिया, कोई डायरेक्टर सोचा नहीं कौन क्या है. So we did a lot of experiments, but I still enjoyed my journey.
Of course.
अगर मुझे फिर से करना पड़े, I will still do the same mistakes. Because that was me, my journey. But I have done it.
No, it's lovely.
It's a risky thing, but I've done it.
अरे we love you for it, darling. No jokes.
Yeah.
No jokes.
What about the rest for you guys?
I can't say I've done it.
I've yet to take a role for the money. I can't wait to take a role for the money.
Me too.
As a woman in this industry.
Yeah.
But yeah, no.
So far, no.
Bowman Saab, you must have done. For money, once or twice.
I've done modeling jobs, maybe.
Yeah.
But not a film. Not a film yet. Brand.
For film, you've never done a...
No, of course.
पूछा होगा
Nothing
ना?
wrong, nothing wrong. I tell you, money is important. The only people who say that money is not important are the people who have lots of money.
True.
And I genuinely feel if you are not going to take advantage of this and give your family a good life, travel well, wear well, eat well, share well.
Share well.
Art, अपनी जगह, five for the kitchen and 1 for the heart, soul.
Yeah.
Super. 5 for the kitchen, 1 for the soul.
Great logic.
I mean, over the years, even I've realized this, that you can't just work for your artistic satisfaction because you have a house to run, you have family to feed and take care of. So you do certain work for that, and then to be able to afford to do something, because most films that you like, the parts that you like, they'll not pay you. They'll be the kind of films where it'll not make money, you get gravitated towards those kind of projects. So to be able to afford that, you will have to do certain work which is slightly more commercial in nature.
True.
And this and that.
And if you're in the public eye, you get to do those films which are 1 for the heart wala, and you might get more eyeballs for that.
Yeah.
True.
Absolutely. But on a lighter note, अगर मैं पूछूं कि अगर
अभी तक lighter note ही था
Okay, अगर आप एक बहुत बड़े बिलियनर बन जाते हो जैसे हम पिक्चर में देखते हैं, तो व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट थिंग जो आज भी आपकी तमन्ना है कि बहुत पैसों के साथ करोगे?
मैं हॉस्पिटल खोलना चाहता हूँ, रियली बाय गॉड, बिकॉज मेरे दोनों पेरेंट्स डॉक्टर्स थे एंड मैं चाहता हूँ कि उनके लिए मैं एक हॉस्पिटल खोलूँ.
क्या बात.
Really, from my heart, and I will treat people who can't afford treatment. If I win a lottery, can't afford it right now. Right now I'll have to open a nursing home, but then I'll open a 300-bed hospital.
Wow.
Wow.
Amazing.
That's a good one.
My friend, why not? No. But having said that, I just feel that this is a wonderful country. It's a beautiful country, and we've become very food conscious. You know, as a people, we discuss restaurants, we discuss foods, but at the same time, I feel very very guilty sometimes when we are discussing that food and having plenty. Is that people should not in this country go to sleep hungry. It bothers me. It really does. So there is a wonderful organization, Sivanandan sir, ex-commissioner of police, has started an organization called Roti Bank, which feeds the poor. I mean, it's a beautiful thing. I wish I could help much more. You know, on a big level, rather than, you know, just go for it. Make sure that nobody goes to sleep hungry, man.
Yeah.
Some great work in the pandemic.
Yeah.
आप क्या करते हो?
मैं भी ऐसा ही कुछ करता है actually. Beyond the point, I mean, how much money will you spend? You have a nice house, you have a car, you have enough money to take care of your family and whatever.
Really?
Then there's no end to that trip. You
Yeah.
know.
Oh, it
वो
can never end.
हाँ, और वो सारा भी आपका ना एक कुछ अमाउंट में, कुछ करोड़ में वो खत्म हो जाएगा.
Exactly.
Then it's just stress. तो मैं FD करा दूंगा और फिर सोचूंगा उसके ब्याज से जो है ना जो भी आया वो
हेल्प
कर दिया, चाहे वो खाने पीने की हो कुछ भी हो. मेरा वो आई जनरली इन माई लाइफ राइट नाउ आई एम नॉट रिच, बट व्हाट आई डू इज दैट पीपल हु आर अराउंड मी आई वांट टू रियली टेक केयर ऑफ देम एंड आई वांट देम टू do as well, you know, as much as I desire to do well. So it's a math that keeps on in my head, that whether it's my cook or the nanny or my staff or whoever it is, or I want them to do well.
Wow.
It's true.
Starts at home.
Charity begins at home.
Yeah.
You have to do
Yeah.
it.
You do it for your loved ones first और फिर आगे बढ़ता है.
The people close to you. So you have to create a good ecosystem.
बट आई एम श्योर आपने काफ़ी इस सवाल का जवाब दिया होगा, बट दिलजीत इधर नहीं है एंड वी मिस हिम. बट जस्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट दिस मैसिव सुपरस्टार जो आज इतने दिलों पे राज कर रहा है, व्हाट इज़ इट लाइक उनके साथ काम करना? हाउ इज़ ही ऑन सेट? इतने मजाकिया है फिल्म में, सेट पर कैसे है?
He's the most down to earth person I have met. As in, even like on set, he was completely professional, always on time. Knew all his lines, never interfered. Just came there, did his bit, and he was just really nice, polite, respectful. So yeah, he's a very, very lovely person.
Does he open up easily?
I felt like I think he's a bit quiet.
Okay.
And a lot of times, even on set, he would sit by himself and do his own thing. But then, of course, when we were in scenes and stuff together, we would chat a little bit. And so he is. I don't know him very well, but from whatever my experience was, I feel that he is a little bit of an introvert.
Absolutely. So are you?
Yes, so am I.
Yeah.
Two quiet people sitting next to each other.
Oh God, then that's very quiet.
It was a quiet room.
बट ऑल्सो एट द सेम टाइम जब भी मैं रत्ना जी के साथ एक इंटरव्यू कर लेती हूँ, देयर इज अ लिटिल इंटिमिडेटेड दैट आई गेट व्हेन हर प्रेजेंस इज देयर इन द रूम. व्हाट्स इट लाइक, क्योंकि आपने रत्ना मैम के साथ भी इतने सीन्स किए हैं, टू सॉर्ट ऑफ शेयर स्क्रीन स्पेस विद हर?
I mean, she's such a maestro of her craft. It was like going to theatre school for me, just watching her perform, and she gave me such solid pieces of advice when it came to screen acting. But then off the set, she's the most chill person ever. So it's crazy. It's kind of like, Diljit's this big superstar, but he's so humble. And it's the same with Ratna ma'am. Like, it's funny to me that you said you're intimidated by her in an interview when I've sat with her at breakfast and we're just laughing and chilling, and
We've gone out.
we went out.
You took a party?
You
Where?
guys have an intimidating
Budapest.
energy. Yeah. But when you get to know her, she is such a chill.
Yeah,
Such
she
a
really is. Yeah.
You don't take a part in?
Yeah, we did, yeah.
How did that go?
It was amazing.
So
Very
good.
well.
She was
Had a
out.
great time.
He got arrested, but we can't talk about it.
She
She was out with us till like what?
4 in the morning.
Yeah, 3 something. Like
Wow,
That's when
what
Bowman
the-
says saw me at 3 a.m.
No, but I have to ask, whenever Chunky sir and Baman sir come together, वो फिल्म तो ब्लॉकबस्टर हो ही जाती है.
Houseful boys.
हाउसफुल की बात करें, बट इस फिल्म में आई फील जब भी आप साथ में हो तो आप दोनों के लिए आपकी जर्नी में एक आइस ब्रेकिंग पॉइंट कौन सा था फॉर योर टू बॉन्ड, द टू ऑफ योर?
ये हम फिल्म के अंदर,
फिल्म के अंदर नहीं, लाइफ में.
लाइफ में आई थिंक बुदापेस्ट में हमारी जबरदस्त बॉन्डिंग,
जबरदस्त
बिकॉज जस्ट आफ्टर कोविड हम वहाँ चले गए. इतनी ब्यूटीफुल सिटी थी, खाना पीना तो धमाल का था उधर, एंड वी हैड लॉट ऑफ फ्री टाइम एक्चुअली. तो हम साइट सीइंग के लिए निकलते थे, शॉपिंग के लिए निकलते थे. used to go to find small quaint little eating places. तो I think maximum bonding हमारी बुदापेस्ट में हुई since I've known you. और फिर हमारा जो गेम्स ग्रुप होता था, गेम्स खेलते थे फराह के साथ.
We used to go and play together.
Yeah.
So, I've
और मुझसे पहले he knows my wife. He's
भावना.
worked with Bhavna before he worked with me.
Yeah, but we spent reasonable amount of time even in Houseful. Houseful may be bonded, but the thing I don't know. I just get a feeling. ये सब ठीक है. I get a feeling I've known Chunky all my life. He's got that. Yeah, I think I know him all my life. I'm much younger than him, of course. But he's got that kind of energy
Yeah.
that we feel there's no breaking the ice. There was never breaking the ice with us.
Cheers to that.
Cheers to that.
Cheers to
On the
that.
rocks.
On the rock.
But even if I meet him after a year, it's like I met him yesterday. So it's
You'll start from where you left.
yeah. It's
Yeah, so I'll tell you where we left is he'll say take my camera. मैं उधर खड़े होता मेरे फोटो ले ले. मेरे को नौकरी पे लगा देता है.
He asked you to click his pictures.
Yeah.
my personal photographer. He was giving me coaching classes for photography. I swear. He was telling me about, and I know he was a great photographer, and then he just thought I was taking very stupid photographs. I took
बहुत
advantage of
अच्छा
that.
है. The fact that I'm teaching him, they were stupid photographs only, na?
I've got some great pictures. Thank you, Mohan.
नहीं, but जैसे आपका किरदार भी है, आप healing में believe करते हो. I want to understand how many of your year believe in healing and spiritual therapy या फिर astrology या फिर
Oh, I'm fully
Yeah.
into it.
All four.
क्या करते हो?
Everything.
Everything, all four.
Astrology also.
All four Sanju में all astrology. It was so the way you said it with me. इतनी बड़ी नफर है.
Magic, everything.
इतनी बड़ी नफर है. All four. एक चीज चूज करो, 2 चीज चूज करो. All four.
नहीं हो रहा है.
Yeah.
God kids.
I recently got into meditation and I did a silent retreat for 4 days, and I think it was the best thing I've ever done in my life.
So you can't talk for 4 days.
No phone, no TV, no music, no reading,
I
nothing.
wish
just
I could do that. I feel
you
like
and your thoughts.
That's as good as dying. What are you talking about?
मैं तो कर ही नहीं सकता Sanju.
Yeah.
There's nothing that you all indulge in.
I believe in the power of just positive energy.
Yeah.
There's nothing else. I mean,
Energy.
honestly, people take a lot of care of their bodies, their diets, their whatever else, their gymming and their all those juices and all that stuff they have. If you're not happy, you're not healthy.
You're not healthy. True.
It's a straight up thing. You got to be happy. You have to eat. When you eat, you got to be happy. When you eat, you cannot have angst inside of you. You cannot be aggressively thinking of something that's negative or angry.
You have to
I
be
truly believe when you're sitting around, everybody sit around, crack jokes, eat at that time. When people are joking,
laughing. Yeah.
I just feel that the enzymes in your body will. That's my belief system.
So true.
Absolutely. Vaman sir, I have to ask you that आपकी journey अगर हम देखें तो it's been so beautiful. It's so admirable. People look up to you. The way you act, the way you are as a person. बहुत ही admiration है आपके लिए. आप क्या कहोगे आज भी if I ask you कि कुछ है लाइफ में जो मुझे अभी भी चाहिए, अभी भी अचीव करना है, तो वो कौन सी एक चीज़ होगी?
I like to make more and more films as a director, write and direct, and of course there's something that I do. I'm saying it unashamedly. It's called Spiral Bound. It's a free classes and workshops that I do for writers. We just completed 10 days ago. We completed 800 sessions. It's happening since the pandemic, and for me, if I can do that, I feel the industry has given me everything that I'd ever hoped for or dreamt of, including that someday we'll get a plane to fly him around. You know,
Private
yeah.
jet.
I'm joking, of course.
No, from your mouth to God's ear.
But having said
want
that,
that.
if you're only receiving, that's also not good. There should be a part of you that should be giving.
Giving back.
Diana, did I say that right? Diana, I want to ask, Cocktail re-release होने वाली है. Of course, it's the most
Someone else
iconic.
mentioned
Should we
it.
just put the cocktail poster here? Just promote
Because
that.
Meera is that iconic and will always be. But to sort of, see you went from like the girl next door and a soft girl to now playing these fierce roles and sort of making your mark over there. Is it been a conscious decision that I've been known way too much for, Meera and Cocktail and the docile girl, and now I want to do something fierce?
Look, honestly, I love being known as Meera because that film made me, and it's the reason I'm here today, and I'm ever grateful for that opportunity. But having said that, yes, I have consciously tried to do different things in every film because I like mixing it up and I like, keeping it fresh and just changing things up a bit. I'd like to say I've come a long way, but I do know that there's a very long way ahead of me. But yeah, that is definitely something that I consciously try to do. To play something different in each film, do something that I've not done before because it keeps you challenged and just also keeps the energy fresh.
Absolutely. Sumit, for you, I feel it was so refreshing seeing you कि आप bad boy play कर रहे हो कहीं ना कहीं. तो will we see you play more of these sort of roles because you've always played the good guy?
Only these kind of roles.
बहुत मजा आया इसमें.
I don't want to play a nice person.
No.
I do that in life all the time. I want to only play asshole parts. एकदम नीच किस्म के रोल करना चाहता हूँ. बस मुझे लास्ट में एंड पढ़ लेना चाहिए. 2-3 साल में ना मैंने 2-3 ऐसे नेगेटिव फिल्म साइन किए, फिर एंड में एक फिल्म में एक फाइट सीक्वेंस था.
बड़ी पिटाई हुई.
हाँ, और मैं शूटिंग करने गया, एक्शन डायरेक्टर है, उसने बोला तो पहले ही आपको उठा के कार में फेंकेंगे. फिर मैंने कहा अरे भाई ये पार्ट मैंने गौर से नहीं पढ़ा शायद. तो no, but jokes apart, I really enjoyed playing a negative part, and it's a lot of fun. There's lots to do, and the whole point of becoming an actor is that you get to be someone else. You can't keep playing versions of yourself. That gets very repetitive and boring for yourself also.
ये अच्छी तरह नीच बन के दिखाया था. बहुत नीच.
He loves doing naughty things.
बनीदा, आपके लिए भी आई थिंक आप इंटरनेशनली भी चीज़ें कर रहे हो, यहाँ पे भी चीज़ें कर रहे हो. मुश्किल हो जाता है कहीं दोनों संभालना और यहाँ पे भी एक मार्क बनाना, वहाँ पे भी मार्क बनाना. फैशन स्टेटमेंट्स के लिए आप जाने जाते हो अपने.
Thank you. I think it's something that I've just learned to become accustomed to. I finally have shifted here and got a base here, and being able to juggle the two industries now feels a lot easier now that I'm in India, which I thought weirdly in my head, being in London, the center of the world, like travel-wise, would be easier, but I actually find more peace being in India.
जैसे हमने यहाँ पे एक फादर और बेटी का रिश्ता देखा है, and it was so lovely to see. Was there any sort of workshop जो आपने किया before the film to sort of get that?
Father-daughter stuff?
Yeah.
You answer.
Yeah, that's it.
How did the ice
No
break
workshops
between you?
needed when you work with an actor like Bowman said.
Yeah.
Correct answer.
But
Perfect.
Chunky sir, recently we saw you having a moment with Ananya at
stage.
the Z.
I
Yeah,
was so
it was
excited.
so happy and you इतने excited भी थे आप. But what do you have to say? क्योंकि हम देखते हैं कुछ भी अनन्या को होता है, आपका like तो होता है उस पे. It's just a feeling as a father जो आप express करते हो. What do you feel now?
I think, I'm talking about my early days. I kind of, for some time, I must have been successful. I'm sure I was. But I never got a chance to enjoy that because I was so busy working. But with her now, whatever little thing she does also gives me so much happiness. So it's, for me, everything for her is a blessing. And I'm really enjoying it.
No,
whatever it is,
absolutely.
yeah.
And how do you feel when you hear so much appreciation that's coming her way when it comes to brands, when it comes to being global ambassador, when it comes to her films? Kya?
Just grateful, blessings, and I keep telling her, keep your head down and just keep working.
Yeah,
Because Friday to Friday things change.
absolutely.
And yeah, but just keep going for it.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Thank you for the time.
Thank
All the
you.
very
Thank
best
you.
for Detective Shedil. And
Thank
we
you.
hope many more. Thank you.
so